7 Emotions of Trading. Number 1. Boredom. Hollywood always makes the markets look like a fast-paced environment in films such as Boiler Room or Wall Street. Whilst this is true, good trades only come once every so often. And a lot of the time you just sit there staring into endless charts, scanning through Yahoo Finance, or going through the many promo emails you might receive. The issue is that if you get bored, you might start making bad trades just for the sake of making trades. If you find yourself in this predicament, you might want to step away from your desk for a little fresh air, drink a glass of water or brew a cup of tea. But you must not trade for the sake of it, to keep yourself entertained. This can only amount to huge losses. Number 2. Depression. All I can say with this one is don't read too much into it in a single down day. Look at where you went wrong and adapt your style with it in mind. But don't let it get you down. The market isn't out to get you. The sun will still rise in the morning and your guru will still be there to answer any questions you might have. If you find yourself a little depressed after a day of trading, think about allocating a bit of your time to do a hobby, maybe cycling or watch a film, to get your mind off of the markets. Just relax. Number 3. Doubt. As a trader, you don't actually know what the markets are going to do. You don't know if the cryptocurrency is going up or down, or sideways for that matter. So all you can really do is stick to the strategy you learned through ReadBTC's video lessons and follow your trading plan as the day goes on, making decisions based on structured analysis. If you find yourself with large amounts of doubt and too much time passes, don't make the trade. You won't be thinking properly. Just stand up, walk away for a couple minutes, and calm down. Number 4. Fear. You might feel so much fear after a trade like this. You might go on to overtrade and lose money, or undertrade and not make money at all. They say that a trader is only as good as their last trade. I say you're only as good as your next one. A trader learns something new on every trade. Therefore, if they made a mistake on their last trade, learn from it, and don't repeat it, they become a good trader, right? All I can say is calm down, look at where you went wrong, and sort it out. Number 5. Anger. Anger is perfectly natural. I'm sure your average Buddhist monk gets angry sometimes. What you have to do is control this anger. Everybody has been angry when they've lost money on a trade. When you're angry, you cannot think clearly. So close your platform, leave your desk, and go somewhere else, maybe in the kitchen, make a cup of tea. Number 6. Anxiety. Anxiety is a little like fear, is the thing that will stop you from making an obvious trade. Some brokers allow you to use automated trading, although I would not recommend that. But if you're a scaredy cat, it might be something you're considering. Number 7. Greed. At the end of the day, greed is good. It is the reason that we all want to trade. We want to drive a nice car, live in a nice house, travel the world as much as possible, and it's greed that fuels this. But be greedy to trade, not greedy in trades. Set mental limits and adjust the position accordingly, but stick to the strategy. Do not let your imagination run loose. Well, there you have it, guys, the 7 emotions of trading. To summarize, being a successful trader means you must first master your own emotions and then start mastering trading. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and notification bell and follow us on social media. Links in the description.